Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to be sharing my thoughts with you guys, and we're going to do a little bit of a wear test on the new Morphexjeffreestar setting spray. This is the Set and Refresh Mist. This is the Starberry scent. You guys know that I have had the original one here for a really long time. I want to say years, and I've tried it out. I know how I feel about it. I actually really like it. This is the Continuous Setting Mist. They both have the exact same packaging. This one is obviously in the pink bottle, and then this one is obviously in the black bottle. This is the Continuous Setting Mist. This one just says Set and Refresh Mist, and it's the Starberry scent. I'm going to be doing a wear test on this one, letting you guys know my thoughts, letting you guys know if I think it's the exact same thing as this one or not, or if I notice any difference in my makeup or anything like that, just because I have been using this for years here on my channel. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this a million times here. This is one of my favorite setting sprays. It just looks so freaking beautiful. If you are super oily skin, I don't recommend this at all, because this one almost has like a radiant finish. It's not a super dewy setting spray, but it's not a matte one either. I really do wish that they come out with like a matte version of this. I think that'd be awesome. I do think that this setting spray melts all of the powder products together, and it just makes your makeup just look so much better. I feel like it just gives it like a boost of hydration, if that makes sense. It's definitely not a setting spray for everyone. Today I'm curious to see how this one wears throughout the day, if it does anything different to my skin. So I have my makeup already done, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and spray some of this. Now, something that I will mention is that it obviously comes with a little strawberry kind of logo here, which I'm going to be honest with you guys, I don't like this. It kind of looks like kids makeup in a way, but obviously the scent is strawberry scented. Mr. did mention that something that this has that the other one obviously doesn't is some type of like oil, and then it has a lot of like skincare benefits, I guess he said, which it does have castor oil. It says it has kiwi fruit water. It also has glycerin, which he did mention. I thought the original one had glycerin already, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, it already has glycerin. So I don't know why he would say that this one has glycerin. They both have glycerin. That's weird. But he did say that he added like some skincare benefits and some oils and stuff like that. So I'm curious to see how this is going to work out for my oily skin, just because when he mentioned oils, I was like, But I'm going to go ahead and drench my skin in this real quick. It has a strawberry scent, but it's not too overpowering to the point where you're like, oh, you know, it's just too much. It actually is very like a light kind of scent. So I basically drenched my skin. I'm pretty sure you guys can see. Whoa, that looks intense. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let this dry real quick. And I'm gonna look at my skin up close just to see if I notice a difference or not. Something I'm noticing right off the bat is that it almost feels a bit more dewier than this one. This one doesn't really feel dewy. That one leaves me more of like a radiant finish, but this one, and I'm pretty sure you guys can see it on my highlight area right here, where you can still see like shine, you know, like it almost feels like a shiny kind of spray. I'm gonna spray more. I love the aerosol in this. I will say I love it, but I have a feeling this is gonna be more geared more towards like dry skin people. But I'm just gonna let this dry completely, and then we'll see. Alright guys, so the setting spray is completely dry. I don't know if you guys noticed from the beginning when I started the video, but now my face looks dewy. That's exactly what I see, dewy. So I'm not mad about it. It almost feels like a dewy, sticky kind of feel. Like I feel my skin sticky, if that makes sense, in a good way though. So I'm curious to see if it's going to make my makeup last longer. But what I'm seeing so far is a lot of dew. Like a lot of dew. Like, can you guys see that? Like a lot of dew. So I'm gonna go ahead and wear this for a good couple of hours. I have some videos to edit. I also just filmed the Louise base dupe. I found a drugstore dupe for this. So that video should be coming very soon. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go about my day at the end of the night and show you guys my skin, let you guys know if I really do think that this is any different than this, and if it makes my makeup last longer or if it just made me an oily mess. I'll let you guys know the tea in a second. But so far, something that I am noticing is that this spray is leaving me extremely dewy and sticky feeling, whereas this one does not do that to me. I'll catch you guys in a second for the final check. Okay guys, so I am back to give you guys my final check-in, my final thoughts on this setting spray. I don't know if you guys are able to tell, but I have a lot of dew. Like even here where the setting spray landed, I have dew, and then right here as well. So something I will say is that if you're oily skin, I don't recommend this at all, but if you're dry skin, I feel like you're going to love it. I want to say I'm not a complete like oily mess just because I did use, you know, a good foundation that I love and that I solely trust. I definitely do think that this has more of like a dewy finish. If you're looking for something more on the radiant side, then I really recommend the black one. So I really hope that they leave this and make this a permanent item, just because a lot of people that are dry skin, I feel like, could take advantage of this, not only because of the oil in it making it dewy and sticky, but I feel like it is making my makeup, you know, hold pretty well. And he did mention that it had skincare benefits, so I feel like why not take advantage of the skincare benefits, you know, if you're looking for a dewy setting spray. Anyways guys, those were my thoughts on the new Morphe X Jeffree Star Set and Refresh Mist. Let me know what you think of the two. Let me know if you've tried them. Let me know if you pick them up. Let me know if you think the exact same thing as me, if you do have both of them. Let me know. I'm curious to see if anyone else thinks that this is more of like a dewier kind of setting spray. But other than that, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to thumbs it up. So don't forget that the P. Louise dupe video is coming for you guys in Wednesday's video. I'm excited that it's Friday. I am excited that it is the end of, you know, the week or whatever. I mean, obviously it's Friday when you guys are seeing this. It is not Friday for me yet, but also don't forget to follow me on social media: Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. The links are in the description box below. Enough of the rambling. I will catch you guys in Monday's video. I hope you guys have a safe weekend, and yeah, don't drink and drive. Don't drink and drive. That's why we have Uber. But yeah guys, I'll catch you guys on Monday. Bye guys.